Hey YouTube, what's up? Haven't made a video in a while. Just a quick one. I got back, just took a ride out, had some fun cruising around. In the past week or so, I've been putting up with it, but I washed my bike and this lovely TFT screen has got hard watermarks all over it. I've tried, I wiped it down after I washed it, and it still got watermarks on it. So basically what I did is I started to clean this side, and you can see this side is spotless. I'm gonna do the rest of it. And all I did was I just took it's one of my son's old shirts that doesn't fit him anymore, a nice cotton shirt, and a bowl of 5% white vinegar. And I just dabbed you can see where's my little finger mark. I don't know where it went. Basically I just rolled it up like this, dabbed it in, and then I dabbed it on the TFT. Let's go over here and check this out. I only got one hand, so let's see if I can do all this. Sorry if you're getting dizzy here. All right, so I just dabbed it in. Let me see if you can see this or not. It's not focusing great. Let me just do over here real quick. So you can see there, that's dirty. Let me just wipe it a little bit. Okay, I wiped it with the vinegar. It's all streaky there. And I just take a clean part of the shirt, get in here and just dry it off. Not a lot of scrubbing or anything. And there's a couple spots still there, but I mean, as you can see, it's much cleaner. I'll keep going and get the rest of it spotless. So if anyone has this TFT screen, I've seen online people saying, don't use vinegar, it's not good for the screen or whatever. As far as I know, this screen, TFT, the front is glass, so vinegar is not gonna hurt it. And I'm not soaking it in vinegar, I'm just dabbing it on there and then I just rubbed it off. So there you go. That's my little tidbit for the day. And then over here, I'm considering getting the rear wheel hugger that goes, right over the tire. It's about $230 something, I think. I don't ride in the rain, but a couple of times recently I've gotten caught. And as you can see, even though it wasn't raining when I was out, there were some puddles, and you get that all over your electronics and your suspension, and under here, under your seat, is grody. So I think I'm gonna get one, and if I do, I'll stick it on there and make a video, show you what it looks like. I think it bolts on right here and here, if I'm not mistaken. Can't remember who makes it, but it's one that actually goes right on there. I'll put it up on the screen. It's not zip tie ones, actually bolts right on there, so that's good. And that'll help keep that area clean, because that's really hard to get clean. Even with a strong hose, it's all those nooks and crannies in there. It's hard to keep that clean. But that's it for today. Have a good weekend, guys. Take it easy. Later.